Hello, my name is Melanie Delavalli, and our research observed biodiversity and behaviors of wading bird species on oyster reef habitats. Our objectives were to observe biodiversity and behaviors during the day and night hours, and to determine if wading birds were negatively impacted by motorized boating activities. To conduct our research, we set out motion-activated wildlife trail cameras for a total of 13 weeks. We first deployed our cameras in May of 2020 to record for 7 weeks of the spring season. We took our cameras in and put them back out in July of 2020 to record for 6 weeks of the summer season. The SIM cards and batteries were changed weekly to obtain the data, and once the data was obtained, we categorized it based on species and behavior. We found that 10 species were observed to use the reef during the spring season, while 12 used the reefs during the summer season. Our results concluded that overall, wading birds were not negatively impacted by motorized boating activities. The great blue herrings were the only birds observed to depart a reef due to a motorboat disturbance. The willet and white ibis were recorded to acknowledge a disturbance but still stay on the reef and not depart. Even though restored reefs were found to have the highest average boating activity, they did not have the most instances of birds departing a reef due to a disturbance. The behaviors on each reef varied. Live reefs were used mainly for foraging, while dead reefs were used mainly for loafing. Great blue herrings were found to do most of their foraging during the night hours, and in one instance, we even recorded a great blue herring to consume 6 individual invasive tiger shrimp in one sitting during the night hours. This research is important because out of our 11 species, 3 are state threatened: the little blue herring, the tricolored herring, and the American oyster catcher. Research involving biodiversity and behavior could be important to contributing to their conservation efforts in the future.